Welcome back to Learn SKN, and today we have a quick video for you. Just a video about the swirling rumors, I guess, of CXC basically ending SBAs. And this report has a little bit more credence to it because it's coming from an official in the Ministry of Education in one of the member states. And so if this kind of person, the permanent secretary, has that information, perhaps there's a lot more truth to it than previously reported. And so we're going to run through this article and we'll see what it talks about. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like and subscribe. All right, so this is coming out of St. Kitts, the permanent secretary in the Ministry of Education in St. Kitts here is talking about some, I guess, insider information. So this was published on June 16th. So let's read the article here. Let me zoom in so we can read this thing together. So the long-standing school-based assessment SBA component of Caribbean Examination Council CSEC examination could soon be discontinued amid growing concerns about the use of AI by students, according to Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Education, Zanella Claxton. Speaking on the Government at Work program on June 4th, Claxton said discussions are currently taking place within CXC regarding the future of the SBAs and the impact AI-generated content may be having on student submission. And so in a way, there were some rumors about 2-3 weeks ago, and so this is more added to that. One component of the exam that we might miss is the SBA component. Right now, there's a big conversation with CSEC because CSEC is proposing that as of next year, right, the next year, I guess academic year 2026-27, next exam cycle, they will discontinue the SBAs because of AI, she said. According to Claxton, the proposed change would see SBAs replaced by a paper 3 examination component, which would contribute to students' overall grades. They feel that the students having AI writing SBAs, she explained, for most of the subject areas. The conversation right now is when it comes to the sciences, they're still looking at leaving them for a while because they're experiment based and they really require the AI for that. But for other subjects, they are looking at paper 3s. She noted that consultations are still ongoing and that the final decision has not been announced. In addition to discussing the potential changes to the CX examination, Claxton highlighted the introduction of the Caribbean Targeted Education Certificate, a new program being piloted to address the challenges students face in core subjects such as maths, English, and integrated science. The modular program allows students to complete the examination in stages rather than sitting a single comprehensive exam. So we're not going to look into that too much. We're looking at the more ending of the SBA part of it. I know, wait. What I think, right, is that this might be for the best because the reality is that AI, which was supposed to be heralded as some savior, has really damaged education for the simple fact that students lack the discipline to refrain from using AI. And while myself as a teacher would suggest that students use AI to tighten up what they already did with their own brains, that is sadly not the reality. Students are leaning too heavily on AI, and so you get these vanilla, robotic, flavorless responses when it comes to work. Essays, all of them sound the same. No personalities in these writings. And so you know that these students ain't even bother to try to do it on their own. You see vocabulary and language that doesn't correlate with your students. And so it has become it's a lesson in fertility right now because the students are just not adapting. They just I don't know if it's pressure or laziness. I don't know what it is. But they prefer to lean on AI heavily for their work, especially when it's essay based, you know, history, your English, your literature, your social studies, those kind of subjects that require you to actually think and reproduce and apply. And so even POB, I ain't gonna exist, leave POB and economics out of it. And so it's as a teacher, it's not fun to see because, like I said, it becomes boring, static, unimaginative, and it best to just end it. It best to just end it because you'll get your 20% max and you learn nothing from it. And so I would love to see that they go to the paper 3 because at least in there you have to study still and apply whatever you need to apply without the use of AI. So you look as the things might be coming full circle, huh? You know, I mean, it's no fault of the lecturers or the teachers, is more on the fault of the students because, yes, I'm gonna say it's students' fault. They simply refuse to do the work on their own. And so I'm in full agreement if this comes true. I know some of y'all might not, because I guess the final grade might just be all you care about. I pass, I pass. That's how we got there. And so I'm hoping to see this being implemented because, as I said before, in a suite right now, in a suite at all. You get these submissions that you're like, what is this, man? It's just, this is not you. You learn nothing from this. You put in your prompt and you copy and paste. Sometimes you copy and paste with the asterisks, with the whole thing. You don't even write it yourself and then have AI just edit it in terms of your grammar and that kind of thing. You let AI write the whole thing for you. And so that's not a positive move, and that helps nobody. It doesn't help us, it doesn't help you, it helps nobody. We still need to promote this analytical thinking. And so that's why science is showing that the Gen Z, Gen Alpha, they might be worse off academically than the prior generations, Gen X, Gen Y, who actually had to sit down and learn how to sculpt and construct a proper essay. And so we don't want that. We want you guys to be better than us. And so this might bring us back to that particular path. All right. So let me know what you guys think about that. I mean, right now they were trying their best to use all kind of things to try to crack down on AI use for this last cycle. It was very difficult. Right? We had to run the submissions through all kind of different programs to see how much AI wrote and whatnot. And sometimes I run my SBAs through these programs and I get them back 100% AI generated. I was like, well, come on, man, kids. That's not what we're here for. Maybe a little 5%, fine. But we're getting full 100% AI generated sections in your submissions. And I just can't do. So CSEC tried. Still didn't come to fruition. They did try. And so let's just kill it. Let's just kill it. Paper 3, use your own mind, use your own brain, your own understanding, and see what you get done. Now, if you want me to do a video on this whole CSEC thing, let me know. But the long and short of it is that instead of doing math and English in 5th form or form 5, and and the content comes from 3rd to form 5, they're saying no. In form 3, you do exam, that's it for form 3 content. You ain't gotta touch it again. Form 4, same thing. Form 5, same thing. So at the end of the day, you're gonna get modules and put them together and give you overall grade. I can see the benefit in this, so that you don't have to sit down at an exam and remember things from all the way form 3 when you're in form 5. That's 3 years. Instead, that year, master the year, do the exam, good to go. And that's how they're proposing. I wish I could go through with this proposal. This might be beneficial to the students in the long run. Alright, so let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to know when Learn SKN drops another video.